Disney's Vero Beach Resort. Let's face it, you don't come here for the accommodations, although they're very nice. You come here for this. The beach. The Atlantic Ocean. That's why you come here. So, here you go. Hey, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel, and this weekend we are staying at Disney's Vero Beach Resort. We'll let you see what we see. It's a bit windy today, so the water's a bit choppy. Just can't get much closer to the beach than this. Welcome. Here we are in our Ocean View room at Disney's Vero Beach. In particular, this is room 2321 on the 3rd floor. Let's go in and take a look at our room tour. So first thing we see over on the left is the kitchenette with the microwave, mini fridge, the Keurig, Disney provided drinking pods, creamers, and so on. Up above, real plates, real coffee mugs, again some plastic utensils, extra paper towel, toaster, and yes, we've already been using it. We got in very late last night. So here's the mini fridge with temperature control, but it is a fridge, no freezer section. So we continue in. There's Nancy. So here's the closet. And yes, we've already unpacked. Over here, beside my, yes, shameless plug, Animal Kingdom, Kidani Village hoodie sweatshirt for me is the wall safe. And yes, this can fit a laptop. We've proven it. Here over to the right is the bathroom area. Single sink with plenty of drawers on either side. And yes, we've already moved in. Very cute picture. Full-length mirror on the door to the toilet and the combo shower tub area. Now do watch your step when you enter. It's not that big of a rise. We've stayed in hotels that have had larger. It's about ½ an inch, so just note that. Very cute. Extra toilet paper and face cloth holder. And then, as mentioned, the combo tub shower. With the, though it's not labeled, but I know them as the H2O products. Sea salt, body wash, conditioner, sea marine shampoo. No longer the H2O labels here. Very nice. So let's now go into the main living area of the unit. Get mirror over on the left. And yes, not only can this be used to put your suitcases on, although we've not done that, but it does have a pull-out shelf. TV stand, plenty of drawers here, DVD player. Yes, lots and lots of electrical outlets and USB outlets on both sides here. Over to the right, we can see the couch, which, yes, is the pull-down Murphy bed. If we look very closely, and I mean really get up close and personal, there's Marlin and Nemo. But, oh gee, what could ever be behind when we opened the Murphy bed? No, you can't just get this humor anywhere. That goes on, and who do we see? There's Dory. And crush over there, and I call them crushettes, but little squirts, and all little squirts. And again, this Murphy bed's pretty cool. Notice the light comes on when you open it. We're gonna go back and put it up. And for the record, Nancy and I are just using one hand each. One person could do this, actually. So my only complaint about the room per se is it's this way in many, not just Disney rooms, but lots of hotel rooms. So only one side has a nightstand over on the right. Now, yes, that nightstand has a shelf and it has drawers, and again, it has the 2 electrical outlets and the 2 UVC outlets, the phone, but only one side. I just don't know why Disney and hotel rooms do that. All right, so the bed, very nice appointment. Don't forget the table and chairs and the lamp in the corner. And then, of course, I don't know anyone that comes to Vero Beach for the rooms. As nice as they are, and the amenities, they come out for this, as shown in our opening. And yes, you can hear the waves crashing on the shore. Sounds so romantic, doesn't it? See down there, there's a hammock. That road down there, pathway, leads to the entrance to the beach. We'll go down there in a little bit. I'll show you that in another video. Look straight down, another relaxing area, some loungers. But this is why you come to Disney's Vero Beach. And so there you have it, a review of the Ocean View Inn at Disney's Vero Beach. We'd come back here again. It's very nice. Nancy and I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are 2 more videos of our travel adventures to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And lastly, my email is in the description below. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.